Hey, fourth grade students, it's Miss Hannah, and I wanted to show you some quick online tools for you guys to make comic strips. So, one fun way is to go to Pixton.com. Here you can create an account. It's free for 7 days. You'll click for students. You can log in with your Google ID, so you can use your Google account. I already made an account, so I'll show you what I made here. Um, like I said, this one is free for 7 days, but was super fun and easy to do. So here is the one that I started. I will show you what it looks like. So the thing that's really cool is there's lots of backgrounds. I like this one because you can search whatever you're looking for different backgrounds. And there's a lot to choose from. You can change your character on what they look like. When you first log in, you'll get to create an avatar. You can add words. So here's what I wrote, and then you can do it in a whisper, which changed the bubble. You can do a thought. So it'll change what it looks like. You can also do the faces. You can do it by emotions, which I thought was really cool. So I'm tired. Maybe I'll do this one. It kind of changes what her face looks like. And then you can also do actions. You can change the way the body is moving, which is neat as well. So maybe I want to change that one like that. Then I did this one. You can add characters, which is kind of cool. So when you go to characters, I added in a character, and then that was super easy. I'll show you how to do it quick. So you can add character. You can do famous people. You can do the president. You can search a variety of different stuff that you want to put in there. You can even do a dog. I guess it puts someone in a dog costume, but I thought that was cool. And then you have your little people. Then when you're done, you can push done, and it makes a cool comic book strip with you. You can download it and save it or print it. But again, it is a free week trial. The other one I wanted to show you is called storyboardthat.com. This one is the basic version and it's free all the time. So also similar, you can pick where you want your setting to be. So maybe I want it to be in the country. You'll click that. You can go through the pictures and then you can drag it down. You can add a character. Maybe I want to do this person. And then if I want to do text, there's all of these different text boxes you can look at or use. So maybe I want to do this one. Oops, gotta drag it to where you want it. You can make it smaller or bigger. You can change the fonts and how it looks. And then you can also type like, hello, welcome to my farm. And then you can go back. Maybe I want to put the barn here. I'll put an animal maybe in here. How about this cute puppy? We'll give him a little speech bubble. And then I can go back to my characters. Meet my dog. His name is Sam. Anyways, these are super fun. You can do a variety of different things, and then you can also save it as well. So I hope you find these websites helpful, and there's lots more out there if you're looking to make comic books online.